back to my channel. Thank you for joining me on another tutorial. If you are new here, my name is Jordanchrome, and on this channel I do beauty, I do makeup, and also I do lifestyle vlogs, and also coming soon, try on hauls. So I have a haul coming, but you know, the whole COVID situation, the shipments, they're not coming as quickly as they're supposed to. So that's the reason why there is a delay in me doing a try on haul. But don't worry, honey, it's coming. So I would like you to subscribe if you are not already subscribed to my channel, and stay tuned because, you know, we're gonna jump into this. So today, guys, I thought it would be fun to do a ponytail series. So I'm gonna be doing this video right now. I think I'm gonna do 3 versions of ponytails, and that's just ponytails that I go to. They're my go-to ponytails. So anyone who knows me, my hair is always in a high bun. That's my most common hairstyle. Also, I do center parts, also another common hairstyle, and I do side parts. And those are the 3 ways I'm going to be doing my slick, ultra slick ponytail. Okay, so this is a 3-part series, and this is video number 1. What you'll be needing today for this video, you're going to need something to add moisture and sheen to your hair. So I'm going to be using this hair oil that I have. It's Indian hemp, and it actually has the green tea leaves, jojoba oil, aloe vera in it. So it's good for the hair. And to get your ponytail extra slick, you're gonna need your Got To Be glue, blasting free spray, and also you can use either a mousse. So I'm using the Isoplus Natural Remedy Tea Tree Foaming Wrap Lotion. So it's tea tree, so it's good for your hair. I have 2 bundles of hair. I don't know if I'm gonna be needing this much hair, but I have 2 bundles. These are 20 inches bundles, and you're also going to be needing needle and thread, and you're going to also be needing some braiding hair. So those are the things that you need. You don't have to use braiding hair, but I'm using braiding hair because I want my little cane roll to be into it. Usually I start with freshly washed hair, but today isn't my wash day and I'm going somewhere tomorrow. So I'm just doing this style. I'm going to be putting out in 2 days and wash my hair. So I'm going to oil my hair first. Now you're going to go ahead and comb your hair out. I'm doing the center part ponytail, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my center part. Okay, wonderful. Alright, so I'm twisting the hair, and then I'm securing it because I don't want to lose it. Then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now you're going to go ahead and join the 2 together, and this is what it looks like. And then I'm just securing it. Now what you want to do is go ahead and pull back the rest of your hair so it doesn't get in the way, and put it in a bun until you have completed your braiding. our hair, we're gonna be sectioning our hair. So I'm gonna be sectioning my hair into 3. So I'm making a part, and then I'm gonna secure the front section of my hair, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. All right, and this little one, we're gonna wrap it around one of these. So we're gonna start by doing the hair. So I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what I'm doing in the back. All right, so we're gonna comb the hair out first. Here, because you want to get this ponytail as slick as possible. Alright, so after you do that and you are satisfied with how your hair is looking, you're going to take your Got To Be Blasting Free Spray and you're going to spray your hair. What you can do is put your blow dryer on low and let it dry, but I do not use heat in my hair, so I'm going to let mine naturally dry. Now once that is secure, you're gonna go ahead and blow dry your hair, but as I said, I do not use heat in my hair, so I'm gonna let mine naturally dry and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so my hair has dried and I'm getting a little closer because I want you guys to see this section as good as you can see it. So I'm gonna pull out the first section of my hair and I'm gonna comb that out. And then basically I'm just gonna put it how I want it to be, so when it sets, it doesn't, you know, move. So I'm incorporating it with the hair that's in the back. Got To Be Blasting Free Spray. We're gonna comb that out. Then set the hair how we want it. Now we're gonna go in with our free spray. Doing my baby hair. I don't have to do this, but I love my baby hairs, so I'm gonna be using, as I mentioned earlier, my wrapping lotion. So what I usually do is I put some of the product onto the back of my hand, just easier for me to work with. Then we're going to move on to, I'm taking it around my ears. Comb. comb through the hair first, and then we're gonna braid the hair. Alright, so this is what it should be looking like now, guys. This is the part where you get your needle and thread. So now I have my needle and thread. Usually when you go to a salon, they usually put wrap strips over the back of your braid and then use glue to apply it, but I don't use glue in my hair, so we're going to be sewing the hair in. So the first thing you want to do is to put the needle through your braid and pull it all the way through. Alright, and then you're going to go back through again and just knot it and secure it in place. You're going to take the thread and put it over the needle and then pull the needle through again. So it's like you're making a little knot. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and get our hair. So I have my hair, the first bundle. Hopefully this is enough. And I'm just pulling it out. Alright, so now that the hair is out, I'm going to be doubling this hair, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the end. I'm going to take my needle and put my needle through both wefts of the hair right now. I'm going to pull it through and take it all the way. Let me turn around for you guys. Okay, so once I have attached that to the end of my braiding hair, I'm going to go ahead and do another. I'm going to take it through the braiding hair and the weft again, just to make sure that it's not moving. And then I'm going to secure it. Okay, so now guys, I'm gonna be keeping my thread at the top of my head because I'm gonna be using it again when I finish wrapping the hair. So now we're gonna wrap the hair around the braid. I'm going to go through the weft of the hair and take that through my hair and secure it. And I'm going to do that twice. Ponytail longer, you could put in some braiding hair in your braid at the back, so it would make it longer, and then you could add like the 2 bundles. But as you can see, 1 bundle did perfectly fine for me, so I don't need 2 bundles. Now, to not have our track showing, so I don't know if you guys can see the track is showing here, and we don't want that, so we're gonna take out a piece of the hair and we're gonna comb it out. Then I'm gonna add some Got to Be Free Spray. And then I'm gonna wrap this around. And guys, if you don't have got to be, I just want to say this, you can actually use this. It's Pump It Up. It's styling spritz, but again, I said if you don't have got to be, you can use this. But the reason why I prefer the got to be over this is because the got to be is less sticky and it has less to build up on your hair. So that's the reason why I chose to use the got to be over using the styling spritz. I'm gonna be adding some of this here, I hope you can see it, to the end of my hair. Okay guys, so I removed my hair tie, but I'm gonna go outside so you guys can see how good this looks, okay? So this is the final look. As you can see, it is looking slick, okay? Slick. And I added some hair jewelry, aka a loop herring that I have in the back. And I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. And look at my skin. Look at my skin in the natural light. Like, the light in my room sucks, but don't worry, it's gonna get better. We are a growing channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was so much fun for me to make, and as I said, this is one of 3. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys in my another one.
Lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time how close it starts.